Hi guys, I bet a lot of you did not know that LG made laptops. Yes, LG, the company, life is good. This is the LG Gram from 2022, the Intel Core i7 12th gen. This has a 14-inch WU XGA LCD Full HD display, and it comes with 1 TB SSD and 16 gigs of RAM, an amazing X360 display with touch inputs here, and it comes in a plasticky matte black finish that is absolutely amazing. Let's see what else we have in the box. We have the manual, regular books and shit. Then we have the LG stylus, then an HDMI to Type-C adapter, then the power brick and the charging adapter. The LG Gram, an absolutely amazing work.